Welcome to a new episode, guys. Better stay under here because it's raining, but I'm just out here. I punched out the local. I'm on the boat by myself trying to get an isolation feed. So I've just come out with no food. I've got a bag of lollies, that's about it, but I'm going to try and stay out all day, try and get some food, cook it up. Brought the gas cooker, brought my fishing rod, spear gun, everything I need, whichever what I want to do, I can do basically. Probably take about 15 minutes to half an hour to get to the spots I want to go. And I'm getting distracted. And yeah, so I'll probably put the GoPro down and see you when I get there. Ew. Heading into the ice storm, baby! Meters of water, first drop. This is the deepest I've fished on my boat. The current is pretty strong, so I'm gonna have to put a bigger sinker on. I'll see if I can hit bottom with that sinker. I'm drifting pretty fast. Oh, my sinker got stuck around the reel. Something lit up on the sounder and my sinker was stuck. And I was like, come on, get off. Filming and fishing's hard by yourself, I've gotta say. What I do when I'm by myself is I get one of my gloves and I put it in the pole. And then I'll put it in the rod holder. It fits better in the rod holder. Angle it down a bit. I do have a sea anchor I can use. It's pretty small, but it still probably work. Oh, big bird. Albatross. Albatross. She's a bit rocky today. I don't know if it's that morning sickness. What happens usually in the morning, sometimes we'll have this bit of wind kind of coming from the ocean and it just makes it all choppy like this. There's a tiny little bit of swell, and then usually in the afternoon the wind will drop off and it'll be a perfect day, but sometimes in the morning it just starts off with that bit of morning sickness and it's pretty shit out here until about 10 AM, and then at 10 AM it just gets amazing. First fish of the day. Bigger sinker on. Oh, see what we got. It's actually so hard to fish and shoot. Bit of head shakes. Might be a leather jacket or something, hopefully not. Oh, that feels alright. I don't think he's massive, but he's a fish, there's some colour. Leather jacket. Exactly what I said. Now, I don't want to hit the leather jacket spot because these guys will chew off my sinker. These are a pest. Different type of leather jacket to the one I got the other day. I don't know what this guy is, but these guys have big numbers. And what's coming up on the sound is probably a big thing of leather jackets, a big school of them. He's only a small one, he'll go back. But hopefully, they don't show off my sinker. Out of all the fish in the ocean I catch the smallest fish. Oh, it's pissing down. Jesus. He must have been hungry. I don't even know what that is. Some sort of cod or something. I don't think he's gonna make it back, but hopefully he will. He dead. He dead. How's that? First fish at the new spot. I'm in 30 meters now. Didn't even film it. 29 centimeter snapper, just undersized. Beautiful fish though. I love these fish. Going back. Just come off the headland. The drift is a bit better. The wind's died down. As you can see, the rain's kind of cleared up a bit, but probably just cursed myself then. I did get drenched, pissed down a bit before when I was in shallower. I caught that little snapper, but hopefully I can get a good fish. That's a good fish. moving on. This is a dead weight, but that was a big hit, whatever it was. Ooh. I think it's just going to be a big cod. Oh, this is head shape. Dog of a dog. Big boy. That hit was something else. Must have smacked it. Big Sergeant Baker, good mate. Oh, I don't really want him, but big leather jacket. Jesus. So that's a big leather jacket. Mate, I'm gonna let you go. Big leather jacket. He's tempting because you got all that meat there and I am pretty hungry, but again, I don't really want him. You're going back, mate, it's alright. We are on the flatty grounds. I just caught a 36 centimetre flathead. Put him to sleep, he's gone straight on ice. I didn't even film it, I'm a dickhead. So hopefully I catch some more again on videos, but I'm happy that I finally got some lunch. And I can eat something because I'm actually starving, like, I'm just so hungry. Like I said with the morning sickness, how nice is the day now? It's flat, no wind, sun's kind of out, but it's kind of nice with the cloud cover, not too hot. It's so nice, flat as. Let's see if I can get enough flatty. How nice is the day? Sun's come out, wind stopped, water blue. Look how blue that is. And I need to go for a swim. Let's go. The boat's actually drifted so fast. Woo! Oh, that's so nice. How blue was that? Just popping with blue. Always wanted to do that. One little flatty is all I kept today, and you guys didn't even see me catch it. It's actually hard to film by myself. Like, I've got the tripod, but then you got to press record, and then it's pretty hard. But anyway, it's fun. I don't even have my filleting knife. I only have this little knife that I found on a craybash a little while back. I don't know where my filleting knife is, but let's see if this does the job. Flathead are pretty straightforward to fillet, so it should be alright, hopefully. Fairly sharp actually. I don't know how I'll go with skinning, but this flathead's got some roe, and I'm hungry as duck, so two lovely little flathead fillets. Not massive, but little bones in it. These will come up delicious. That's my lunch for today. It's not much, but it's gonna have to do because it's all that I've really caught that is good in my eyes, so yeah, it'll be right. $20 Kmart stove, still going strong. I've had this since the fires, December. A bit of oil. Ooh, should be enough. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is hands down the best thing that's ever been cooked on my boat. That looks amazing. And the only thing that's been cooked on my boat, but still the best. That is ready. I should have bought bread or something to put it in and be a bit more filling, but I'm not complaining. Oh, man. That is good. I didn't bring a plate or anything. I'm just eating off the fry pan. Caught today, put straight on ice. Filleted basically straight after put it on ice, and then cooked straight after I filleted it. All in about 15 minutes. That is sensational. Well, that was good. That was so fresh. It definitely filled me up. Like, I'm not starving like I was before. I'm still pretty bit hungry, but definitely filled a little bit of the hole. So I think I'm not having much luck out deep. So punch into the local, going a bit shallower, maybe 30-20 meters. See if I can find any ground, maybe flatty ground. Might just catch and release from now. I caught maybe 10 fish all up. Released all of them except for one. You don't need to keep every fish. Like I said, the leather jacket stuff I could have eaten as well, and it probably would have filled me up a bit more than the flathead, but I don't know, I just want to eat fish so I want to eat, you know? I just don't want to go out here and just take the fish because I need to eat, you know? I'm not going to starve to death if I don't catch something, but in saying that, if a good fish came up, like the flathead, I was going to keep it. Oh, anyway, pack this shit up and we'll punch in shallower. Ew. Baby flathead. Wow, the one I get on video is the only size one, and then all the rest are just funny. Got me. Flathead have these spines. You can see there's some there, some there. Pretty sure there's one just there, and he just got me before. They hurt a fair bit, but the other day I got spined by flathead and a red rock cod in about 20 minutes, and I can assure you the red rock cod was 500 times worse. It hurt a lot more than the flathead. The flathead still hurt, but oh. We're going one more spot. We're going to try flick for some squid just in the bay over there. We'll probably put the anchor down just for 15 minutes, have a quick flick, and then get out of here. Oh, see you there. Have a look at how clear this is. This is a squid jig from Montague Jigs. Cheers guys for sending me these jigs. They've already caught me some, I just haven't filmed them. So see if I can get one. You can tell how good quality they are just by looking at them. They're not shit made, you know. They just, you can see. They're really slick looking. I just love the look of them. This is the cast. This is the cast that's gonna get me a big squiddy. Oh, there's a squid chasing it. There's a squid chasing it. There is a squid chasing my squid jig. Oh, there's heaps of them. There's about 5 squid right here. Oh, he dropped it. He dropped it. He fell right on my squid. I wish you guys could see this. There's one. There's one. Come on. Oh, he dropped it. He keeps dropping it. See a chunk behind him. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there's a big school of squid. Did I not just say this is the cast that's going to get me one? Yeah, he's chasing it. There's 2 right on it. 2 right on it. There's one. Got him. There we go, Montague Jigs showing that they're made of good quality and they can catch squid. The little one. Oh, you got the camera, you got that camera. He squirted the camera. That's so funny. A couple nice calamari. I'm gonna head back in now because I'm gonna work the salvo. But it's been a cool adventure. I didn't catch too much. I wish I caught them earlier and I could have cooked them up instead of the flathead. But yeah, it doesn't matter. Had lots of fun. Did a few new things which I'm stoked with, and got a few fish. So I have to steam back around to the river that I come in through, and then yeah, it'll be all sweet. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. This boat, as you can see, it's getting more and more used by the day, on my days off, or just in general. So what can I say? I'm speechless. Nah, it's been a good day. Cheers guys, see you next time. You made me bleed a fair bit, Jesus. I was just trying to let him go.